Yo, I hope you can hear me over the din of the many birds that are up in a tree, like right over there. Some of which are flying into my persimmon and stealing my fruit as we speak. But I have cool update. I love cool updates. So the Coffin Jockey Luggage Rack project is done. It is done, and it is mounted, and it is awesome. It's not perfect. Po Buddy's nerfed. But I think it'll meet my needs. Check it out. Ta-da. It is welded together, 1/2-inch box tube. I've ground down and cleaned up the welds and then ground them down again. Double coated in hammered finish paint and then double coated again in Krylon Triple Thick Glaze clear coat. And then with these uprights, I didn't know how to label them, so I just used the arc welder and wrote, front left, front right, rear left, rear right on the tabs, just in case they were different enough to make a difference, as Mr. Paul Harrell would say. But I mean, check it out, and like, this is solid. Might even be able to, this is my whole weight right on this. I'm not going to make a habit of doing that, but for demonstration purposes. So I think this is good enough for a road trip. Hold my backpack nice and solid on it and bungee it down really good. I have this lip to keep things from flying off backwards, and has a lovely Art Deco shape that sort of resembles a coffin, but I like it. So yeah, the Coffin Jockey project. If you have a 2014 Honda Valkyrie that you would like this Coffin Jockey mounted for yours, I have a template. I'm happy to scratch make some more. What would you say is a good price for that? Name your price and we'll talk. And if you want to see other more wacky crap that I do, please like and support this channel. It really helps me out. This stuff is not cheap and my time is not free. And I have a coffee account down there. So anyway, this is a quick update for the weekend. I'm on my own for the weekend, so since I don't have any responsibilities of cooking and cleaning, I'm going to hang out and be a delinquent. So I'll see you around.